Level 1 completed. All questions. Page number. Level 2. Heisenberg. Yesterday I given 2 questions homework. Are you completed the 2 questions?
Yes, sir.
Level 2, how many completed? 59 completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think 53 I given homework.
Yes, sir. 53, 54, 55 homework.
Got it? 53 and 54.
Yes.
Simple formulas only. Already 53 question. Such type of question we have in notebook also. Okay, na? Next 54 easy question only. Next 55 I will solve. Please observe. Question number 55. Question number 55. Read the question thoroughly. The uncertainties in the velocities of two particles A and B are 0.05 and 0.02 meter per second respectively. Velocities are given for two particles A and B. Two particles is taken. Okay, na? The mass of B is 5 times to that of mass of A. What is the ratio of uncertainties in their positions? Uncertainties in their position. Now please observe. Two particles be taken, A and B. So uncertainty in position. Okay? Position is what? Delta x m delta v is equal to h by 4 by m. Na? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
delta x. This is the delta x b. Next, mass of A is 1. Why mass of A is 1? Please observe.
1:5.
1:5.
Why? Because he is telling mass of B is 5 times to that of mass of A, means A mass of A is 1 only. Na? Next, velocity of A how much? 0.0. 0.05 meter per second. Adunu cancel agutte bidi. Next, come to particle B. What is mass of B?
5.
5. Velocity 0.02. See here, mass is 1, speed is high. Mass is 5, speed is very less. As the speed increases, as the mass increases, speed decreases. Okay, na? What is the formula? The Heisenberg uncertainty principle.
Delta x m delta
Is equal to h by 4 pi. This is the actual formula. So I am comparing two formulas. That is, imagine delta xa is equal to h by 4 pi ma va.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mass of particle A, velocity of particle A. This is first equation. Similarly, delta xb is equal to h by
4 pi into mb vb.
mb vb.
V.
Substitute these two equations. And then delta ratio we want. This ratio means xa by xb is equal to simplify model h by 4 pi MVA, correct? 1 into 0.05 into, again you will get here, that is I am simplifying, 4 pi into 5 into 0.02 divided by h. H is h cancel, 4 by 4 by cancel. So 5 into 0.02. 5 into 0.02. 0.01 divided by 0.05. 2 na? Students.
Sir, 0.1.
Sir, whole equation answer to sir 5 into 0.02 0.1.
What is the simplified? 5 into 0.02, how much? You say
0.1 sir.
0.1 divided by 0.05. 2 na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
0.1 divided by 0.05. 2 only na?
Yes, sir.
Okay na? 2 is the answer. 2 is here. Are you clear? So like this way how to do. You can't worry. What am I?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
$56 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Yes sir, yesterday you did.
Completed?
Yes.
The formula is important. Next. Next. Question number 16. 59 completed.
Yes sir. 60 also you gave clue yesterday sir.
So will you do? No problem. You please simplify yourself. In psi 321, please remember psi 321. What is the meaning of psi 321? Psi 321
NLM value.
is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, M is equal to 1. Right? This is the meaning of psi 321. Okay? Quantum numbers. Quantum numbers are the results of Schrodinger wave equation. Angular momentum formula h by 2 pi root of L into L plus 1. This is formula. Okay, na? This is angular momentum. H by 2 pi as it is root of, what is the L value? 2 na? 2 into 2 plus 1. Andre h by 2 pi
6, sir.
6. Okay. This is angular momentum. Next, spherical nodes. Spherical nodes formula n minus L minus 1. Spherical nodes n minus L minus 1. N value is 3 minus 2 minus 1. 0 na? 0.
Yes.
1 minus 1 0. Next, angular nodes L.
L value.
triangular node that is equal to N. Okay? What is the N value? 2.
We have to add.
Add ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ.
Sir, first option, sir. Root 6h plus 4 pi by 2 pi.
H root 6 or root 6 inch ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Plus 0 plus 2. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
Root
root 6
H plus 4 pi.
By 2.
root 6 H 2 by into 4 ಅಲ್ವಾ? 4 pi 2 plus 2 pi 4 pi
4 pi.
plus 4 pi. First option. Add ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Next, question number 61. Please copy. Already, you know formula. This is the formula. Sum means addition only. By adding that, we will get the answer. Which of the following is not true for quantum mechanical model of the atom? Even though there is one electron in hydrogen atom, there are many atomic orbitals in the atom. As many wave functions are possible as the solution of the wave equation. We have only one electron in hydrogen atom, but different energy levels are present. We don't have any electron in that. First one is correct only. Next, all the information about the electron in an atom is stored in its orbital wave function psi, and quantum mechanics makes it possible to extract this information out of psi. Wave function, no? So
Correct.
we can calculate. The probability of finding an electron at a point within an atom is square of the orbital wave function. That is, it is also wave function. The psi square means wave function. Next, psi square is known as probability density and can never be positive.
False.
So
False, sir.
psi square may be positive or negative or zero. So that's why.
No, sir, psi square is always positive. Psi is always negative. Negative, positive, or 0.
Psi is maybe negative or positive or zero. Psi square is
Always positive.
always positive, sir. Okay, so fourth option is incorrect. Next, 62. The set of quantum numbers n is equal to 3, l is equal to 2, m is equal to 0. Okay, it is possible na? 3D.
TP.
L is equal to 2. L is equal to 2 means what?
D, sir. 3D, sir.
3D. Describe an orbital of an electron in 2s orbital. That's wrong, right?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it is a 3D orbital. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
not 2s orbital. Describe an electron in 3p orbital. It is also.
sir.
Next, describe one of the 5 orbitals of similar type.
Correct, sir.
5 orbitals means d orbital only.
D orbital.
Third option is correct. Next,
Fourth option, sir. Fourth
option.
it is not allowed. That is wrong. So BD. BD means like this we will write -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. So one of the orbital of 5. One of the 5 orbitals is similar type. Next, an orbital made of 4 lobes can have the following quantum numbers. One day technique students. 4 lobes andre d orbital, 2 lobes andre p orbital. Idralli first one impossible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why it is impossible?
L value.
Because L
value
value and N value are
L
same.
value given as same, so it is impossible. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2. 3d orbital.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option 2.
4 lobes means d orbital. Next, check remaining. n is equal to 3, l is equal to 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನ
No, sir. That is
but ಅದು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. He given m is equal to -2. Is it correct? It is not correct. First two possible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, but m is equal to -2, it is not possible. Next, n is equal to 3, l is equal to 3, ಇದನ್ನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ n value same, so that's why it's not correct. So second option is correct. D orbital has 4 lobes. Next, the correct set of 4 quantum numbers for the valence electron of rubidium. Rubidium 5s1. It is a first group element. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Even ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 2s1, 3s1, 4s1, 5s1. So 5s1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 5. L is equal to 0. M is compulsory 0. S is equal to plus of or minus of.
Option 1, sir. 1.
Any difficulty? Easy only, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, 65. Can you try? I will give some time. Up to 69, 68. You please try. 65, 66, 67. 68 formula is there. You will get in second PUC, but I will say formula. You can follow that. 65, 66, 67. Highest energy ಅಂದ್ರೆ hint.
N plus L value.
Calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ನೀವೇ.
Third option, sir.
Third option, sir.
See, for 65 question, n plus L value is 4. Okay na? For second option, adunu 4. For fourth option, 3. But for third option, it is 5. N plus L value. So that's why third option is correct. Next, identify the correct statement.
Option 4.
Fourth option.
Quantum numbers are obtained arbitrarily. All the quantum numbers for any pair of electron atoms can be identical. No, all the quantum numbers may not be required to describe the electron. No, we have required quantum numbers. Wait to describe. Fourth option, 66 4. Next. What is the maximum number of orbitals that can be identified with the following quantum number? N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1, M is equal to 0. Orbital andre boxes. ಎಷ್ಟು boxes possible ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? One box, sir?
3s.
N is equal to 3p. It is not 3s. N is equal to 3. Should not confuse. Orbital andre box. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 1, M is equal to 0. You given this na? Andre 3p nama? P andre ಎಷ್ಟು box?
3 box.
Plus 1, andre 0. You can write again. So M is equal to 0 is possible.
One box. One box.
Orbital. Clear? Next. Question number 68. First, you please calculate unpaired electrons in Ni2 plus. Yesterday I told how to calculate unpaired electrons. You please say answer. How many unpaired electrons are there in Ni2 plus? First, you write nickel electronic configuration. Admele, you please remove 2 electrons. After that, you please count how many unpaired electrons we have. You please write argon so and so. No need to write total electronic configuration. Please say number of unpaired electrons.
2, sir.
Just a month.
2 unpaired electrons.
2.
Correct? See,
4:3d8, sir.
3d8, 4:r, 4:3d8. Okay, now? Four is to 3d8. So Ni plus 2 means we have to remove these 2 electrons.
Yes.
Yes.
How many unpaired electrons we have?
2 unpaired electrons.
Okay, na? If you know unpaired electrons, what he given? He is calculating magnetic momentum. Actually, magnetic momentum concept we will get in second PUC. Magnetic momentum formula mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 formula. Mu is equal to root of n into n plus 2 Vm. What is n here? N means number of unpaired electrons. What is the n value? Number of unpaired electrons. What is mu? Root of 2 into 2 plus 2. Yes, root 8 as?
Root 8, sir. Root 8.
Root 8 means how much?
2.84, sir.
One day technique, nodi. So how many unpaired electrons we have? That is the N2. Okay, na? Final answer ninge barutalla adi in between 2 and 3 irutte. 2 gandre kadime iralla, 2 gandre jaastinu iralla. Sorry. 3 gandre jaastinu iralla. In between 2 and 3 will get. The 2.84 under 2 and 3 in between only na. Very simple technique. Suppose n is equal to 1 unpaired electron is there. He will get between 1 and 2. Less than 1 not possible, greater than 2 is not possible. You are root of 1 into 1 plus 2 appa. Estagutte 1 into 1 plus 2. 3.
Root 3, sir.
Root 3 value
1.73.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆ ತರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. If you take root 5, that is n is equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7, 35. Root 35 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5.86 something ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆ ತರ. Next, question number 69. Which one of the following sets correctly represents paramagnetic property of the ions? Paramagnetic property of the ions. Paramagnetic property andre unpaired electrons should be present. Unpaired electrons should be present. Listen carefully. I will solve this one. What are the different sets he given in all options? Different same type of ions we have, but arrangement is different. Say what are that? Cu2 plus
V plus 2, Cr plus 2, Mn plus 2.
V plus 2, sir.
V plus 2,
Cr plus 2.
Cr plus 2,
next.
Mn plus 2.
Okay. Now we will solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Copper, argon, 4s1 3d10 or 3d10 4s1. Plus 2 means what I have to do?
Remove 2 electrons.
1 electron from here, 1 electron from here I have to remove.
Argon 3d9.
Cu plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 unpaid electron is there. Okay? Next. Completed. Next. Vanadium. Vanadium. 23 na? Scandium, titanium, vanadium. Vanadium 23.
23, sir.
Argon 3d3, 4h2. Okay na? B2 plus means first one. B2 plus
Argon 3d3.
E2 electrons, E1 electron. Remove modulation.
Only that.
Sir, only 2 plus,
2
sir.
electrons na avasara. 2 electrons. 1, 2, 3. So how many unpaired electrons? Here 1 unpaired electron. Here 3
Three.
3 unpaired electron.
Next. Cr2 plus. Cr here first argon 3d5 4s1. ಆಯ್ತಾ 3d5 4s1. ಇವಾಗ +2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Argon 3d4, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ 3d4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 3d4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 unpaired electrons
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
1 2 3 4 ಓಕೆನಾ 4 unpaired electrons. Next Mn2 plus
4s2 3d4.
Mn very good. Mn 25 atomic number 24 ಓಕೆನಾ
4s2 3d5, sir.
3d5 4h2 5 unpaired electrons
Yes, sir.
3d5. Yes, sir.
2 electrons remove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 2 3 4 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5
Third option, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ Cu2
Third option, sir.
Third option.
please remember that topic paramagnetic he told you paramagnetism is arises due to the presence of unpaired electrons like this okay here all have unpaired electrons then how to determine greater the number of unpaired electrons greater is the paramagnetic behavior artha aita greater the number of
Yes.
unpaired electrons greater is the paramagnetic behavior which has the highest unpaired electrons Mn2 plus so that's why it has highest paramagnetic this has the least ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್
Third option.
ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ
Sir, not third option. Second.
69 3
Third option, sir.
59 3, sir. 72, sir.
plus is less than ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು vanadium
CO2 plus is less than
next vanadium is less than
20.
next third option only the
Yes, sir. 70 third option.
next 69 third option 70
70 second option, sir.
Second option.
out of the following electronic arrangements for outer electronic configuration the most stable arrangement is second one
Second. Yes, sir.
what is that arrangement
Half filled.
half filled electronic configuration and
First one is also half filled, no, sir.
but greater number of exchanges are possible
Yes, sir.
exchanges are possible okay na? So that's why second one has the highest stable ಅದು chromium electronic configuration that's all okay na greater exchange energy possible ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ next the orbital diagram in which both Pauli's exclusion principle and Hund's rule are violated
Option 2.
Second option.
Second option.
2.
both Pauli's principle and Hund's rule are violated Option 2 na?
Yes, sir.
71, only which one is violated? Hunt's rule is violated. Tell what? 71.
One option.
First option.
I am explaining remaining options. He is telling both are violated. First option, if you take, it violated only Hunt's rule. Second one, both. Third one,
Sir, your video is stuck, sir.
Hunt's rule. Next. Fourth one, it is correct. Okay, na? Third one is also correct. You can write down electron also, no problem. Okay, na? So second one is incorrect. Video is tracking.
Yes, sir. That time it was stuck, sir. Now it is okay.
Now it's okay.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Next, 72 question now. Question number 72, very logical question. Try yourself. A transition metal X has configuration AR3D4 in its +3 oxidation states. +3 oxidation states. Okay, na? Its atomic number is very simple. Very simple.
Sir, first option, sir, manganese. 25. Atomic number 25.
Okay, na? Here, what he given? AR3D4 he given. Okay, na? When he is getting this AR3D4
+3 oxidation state.
by removing 3 electrons. He is telling what? By removing 3 electrons. +3 oxidation state only. Na? Okay. Actually, it's original electronic configuration.
3d5 4s2.
R1
3d5 4s2, sir.
4s2 3d5.
Yes, sir.
Indicate 3 electrons are different. Idರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಇದೆ, idರಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಇದೆ. Difference 3 only na. ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is original. This is after removing 3 electrons. After removing 3 electrons.
3 electrons.
Now, its atomic number is what? AR 4s2 3d5 means what is its atomic?
Manganese.
25.
25, sir.
No need to. So after argon, we have to write 4s. After that only 3d. So that's why we will get this option. So these are the questions related to quantum numbers and the electronic configuration rules. Okay, na? So for the objective examination and subjective examination, up to Heisenberg uncertainty principle to last ending of the chapter.
Yes.
Next, please open previous year questions. Let us solve previous year questions.
Sir, exemplar problem, sir.
Exemplar problems, everything you have to do. Level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Try exemplar problems only, no problem.
Sir, page number 109, JEE main.
Exemplar problems almost we are completed 2 levels. Na? In that only you will get maximum. In the topics only we will get.
Sir, level 2 previous topics questions are pending, sir.
Which questions? Please say.
Sir, from page number 84, question number 27 to 52, sir.
Question number 27 to 52, na?
Yes, sir. Level 2 not done.
Now please write down the formulas and you have to try yourself. Okay, na? 27. The wave number of first line of Balmer series of hydrogen is 15200 centimeter inverse. The wave number of first Balmer line of Li2 plus ion is. Okay, na? What is the formula? Actually, this is the formula. U bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into Z square. This is the formula. Okay, na? R into Z square andre
Sir, R into 1 by N1 square minus N2 square into the
Balmer series na I am not considering that one. For 2 he is telling Balmer series only na, so that's why I am not considering. The formula alva. Say for example for hydrogen new bar estama new bar value how much
15,000.
15,200.
15200 centimeter inverse. Okay na? What is the Z value? 1 for hydrogen Z only 1 only na.
Yes, sir.
Next another one is what? Helium or lithium?
Lithium.
Lithium, sir.
Like plus U bar is equal to question mark. Aita? Z is equal to 3 na. Lithium 3 alva atomic number.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. And they have given ion.
Ion ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು atomic number change ಏನು ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ electrons ಮಾತ್ರ change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, there is no change in atomic number, no change in protons, only change in electrons. Formula, how can we frame this one? Wave number sir he is asking.
Yes.
U bar is equal to, that is nu bar h is equal to R into Z square divided by S equal to nu bar Li2 plus is equal to R into Z square. So nu bar h how much ma?
15,200 centimeter inverse.
15,200 centimeter divided by ఇది x. Aita equal to R into 1 square by R into E square. R cancel. Okay na? 15200 divided by x is equal to 1 by 9. To simplify ಮಾಡಿ T square into 9 and 2 equations I am considering. One is a
Fourth option.
Ma?
Fourth option. 136800.
1,03,6,800.
Cross multiplication only na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
15200 into ಎಷ್ಟು
9.
9
Yes,
1 lakh then answer
Sir.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Correct ಇದೆ sir. Fourth option ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಮೆಥಡ್
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same method.
So same method means if you know the formula, we can frame in our own direction like this. So comparing the two atoms and substituting the values. Okay, na? Next. Question number 28. Read the question 28. If a wavelength of first line of Balmer series is 6500 angstrom, then wavelength of second line of Balmer series is wavelength of first line of Balmer series is 6500 angstroms. Then wavelength of second line of Balmer series is mu bar is equal to wavelength is asking ಇದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. ಇದು ಓಕೆನಾ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ 1 by lambda is equal to first line he is telling that 1 by lambda 1 by wavelength of first line how much 6500
500 sir.
equal to r into 1 by
2 square
2 square minus 1 by 3 square. 1 by 6500 is equal to r into ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು
9 minus
9 sorry 4 2 square 4 3 square 9 5 by
5 by 36.
huh
So,
Yes, sir.
9 by 36 sir LCM
5 by 36 sir.
5 by 36
5 by 36.
okay.
Sir, here we know every value, no, sir, what we are finding.
For 5 by 36, what is the value we are getting? 5r by 36 is equal to 1 by 6500. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5r by 36 value 1 by 6500. ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
Yes.
ಇವಾಗ 5 by 36 ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಏನು? What is the next line he is asking in question? Second line is equal to 1 by r into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 4 square. Second line. First line andre 2 square, 3 square we are taking. Next line we have to take. Okay? 1 by lambda is equal to r into ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ LCM
64 sir.
64 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ
Sir, 12 by 64, that will be
12
3 by 16 sir.
16, sir.
3 by 16.
It's a 16.
3 by 16.
Yes sir.
So ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For 3 by 16, 5 by 36, this is the value. For 3 by 16, how much? Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 5 by 36, this is the value. For 3 by 16, how much the value? Calculate ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಈ ಗಿವನ್ ಫೈವ್ ಬೈ 36 into 16 by 3 into 6500 ಇದನ್ನು 1 by lambda ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ you please once follow a solution. Page number 91. ಆ ತರನೇ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ 5/36 ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಓಕೆನಾ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3/16 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1/λ he taken 1/λ I am also taken ಇದನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ 1/x ಇದೆ okay na? Same answer you will get whatever the process you did you will get same answer but this is also you will get same values you have simplifying you will get same values 5/30
At last we have to equate and multiply, sir. Then we'll get.
Here I have calculated this is simplified value already we have
Sir, they are not taken 1/6500.
1/6500
they have
1/6500 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1/λ1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ
they have not taken.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಈ ನೋಡಿ ಈ 1/6500 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬೈ ಇದು so you will get that answer next the process next ma what is the question number 29 read the question
Which transition in the hydrogen spectrum would have the same wavelength as the Balmer transition n is equal to 4 to n is equal to 2 of He plus spectrum?
Nu bar is equal to right formula nu bar is equal to 1/λ ಇದು r into 1/n1 square minus 1/n2 square into z square What is the z value for He plus? 2. 1/λ is equal to r into longest wavelength he is telling na. Longest wavelength means we have to take N1 is equal to 2 Balmer series N2 is equal to 3 wait transaction yes sorry N1 is equal to 2 N2 is equal to 4 you only given na simplify madam new bar
Sir, we have to calculate all the values, then we will get, sir.
where which one
Sir, in this one, all the options we have to, in solution they have given that all the options we have to check and then in that which will be the same answer.
this is called back type questions back answer type questions back answer type questions means from options we have to check not from question data so it requires much time I think okay no for this you take how much frequency you are getting next you have to take that given values artha aita
Yes, sir.
here I am taken wavelength 1/λ is equal to r into 1/2 square minus 1/4 square into z square you will get some value na 1/λ so you calculate from that lambda by taking different options you have to check in which case you are getting lambda is equal to same value you will get the answer
Yes, sir. First option.
first option next question the
30th, sir. 30th question.
read the question
The wave number of last line of Lyman series.
wave number of last line of Lyman series last line means what we have to take
mu bar is equal to r, sir.
Lyman series means N1 is equal to what?
N1 is equal to 1, N2 is infinity, sir.
N2 is infinity. Okay, na? Adi maadi. He given for that value is
Given that, sir.
109674 centimeter inverse. Wave number given. Wave number of H alpha line in Balmer series. Balmer series of H.
Sir, H alpha N1, what we should take?
H alpha means N1 is equal to Balmer series N1 is equal to 2 fixed. Alpha means N2 is equal to 3.
3.
That's the calculate mark. Okay, na? So try yourself remaining questions by writing the formulas. 10 or 15. And moreover, every question is you don't expect every question was answer and solution. Still, we are discussing only third or fourth unit, I think. You know, how to discuss much homework. Next time onwards, I will allot homework from next units. Next units means for problematic questions, no problem. We have to do. Problematic questions means almost in 3 units, the states of matter, thermodynamics, equilibrium. Remaining 3 units only. Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.